Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare AWS QuickSight versus Power BI. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining how each platform handles data visualization and business intelligence. This comparison will help you understand which tool best suits your analytical needs, whether you're a small team or a large enterprise. We'll cover key features, pricing models, and ideal use cases to provide a comprehensive overview. AWS QuickSight shines with its cloud-native architecture and machine learning-powered insights, like anomaly detection and forecasting. Its Spice in-memory engine ensures rapid query performance, handling hundreds of millions of rows. Power BI, conversely, integrates seamlessly within the Microsoft ecosystem, offering robust data modeling capabilities with its powerful DAX language. It excels in complex data transformations and interactive dashboards, leveraging its extensive connector library for diverse data sources. Regarding pricing, QuickSight offers a unique pay-per-session model, starting at just 30 cents per session after a free tier, making it cost-effective for infrequent users. It scales effortlessly with your AWS infrastructure. Power BI typically uses a per-user license model, with Power BI Pro costing $10 per user per month and Premium offering more advanced features and capacity. This model is often preferred for consistent, high-volume usage within an organization. QuickSight is an excellent choice for organizations already heavily invested in the AWS cloud or for embedding analytics directly into applications. Its serverless nature simplifies management. Power BI is often the go-to for businesses deeply integrated with Microsoft services, like Azure and Office 365, and for users requiring sophisticated data modeling and extensive reporting. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your existing infrastructure, budget, and specific analytical requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.